She is calling now. Hello, Nana.
Hello, Yunus. How are you?
Good. How are you? Hello, everyone. Welcome. Last week I bought a new smartwatch, which is Fitpolo, and I'm gonna use it since I have started running, and I'm gonna check my heartbeat and my steps, and I'll see my progress. So let's see what we have, and I'm gonna make a quick review. The box came with the smartwatch, which is just right here. I'm gonna take it off, and user manual, which you can check it, and also a charger, like the magnetic charger. And before using it, please just make sure you have to charge it. I charged it all night, and you can just turn it on your smartwatch with this button. And there is also a heartbeat sensor, and this is the charger, which you can just put the magnetic charger over here and charge your phone. And also there is a microphone and speaker right over here. While you use your smartwatch, you can make call and you can check your notification from your phone. Now I'm gonna download Verifit application and match and connect my smartphone with my smartwatch. Now you can just hold here and you'll see your smartphone watch is gonna open, so you can see it's same as has same theme on the package. When you just slide down, you will see there is some app settings, and you can go from here to your settings, and you can just work on the brightness, which is like when you push it, it's gonna go to like 80 or 100. And also you can go from here to your settings, which about like watch face, about theme, display, sounds and vibration. And also you can check your battery level, and also if you need something from the help, you can just go over here. And also from here you can check your notification from your phone when we connect to your smartphone. On this side you can see your activity, which I just started, so I don't have any information or data over here. And also from here you can use your Android phone with the Alexa, and you can make some phone calls, or you can set an alarm through the Alexa as well. I just downloaded the Verifit application over here, so I can just start to use it, which you can just choose to agree it. And also now it's checking the devices, so we'll find our smartwatch, and now it's pairing. Now I download the Verifit application, so I'm gonna start it and match my smartwatch with my smartphone. So you can choose here the policy agreement. Now searching for the device, you can keep it close to your phone so we can find it. Now I found it. Now I'm gonna match it. Now it's pairing the device, and it's gonna connect both of them. Yeah, so it succeeded. everything is done. After that, you have to choose to allow your contacts for the call, and now I'm gonna pair it. Got it. Now I will choose the country. United States. And right here you have to select your gender, birth date, height and your weight to put all the data for the next step. You have to set your account over here, which I'm going to choose my email address, and I will put my password here. And your phone shouldn't be on a battery saving mode or sleeping mode or do not disturb mode because Verifit is working at the background to check your all data, so you should keep your phone on regular mode so it can track your data and give you accurate information. Now I'm gonna check the notification and we'll see how it works with my smartphone. And we're gonna make a phone call through a smartwatch with WhatsApp, so we'll see how it works. Yeah, you see that I can see all the notification from my smartwatch. Now I will just text back and to make a phone call. Now she's gonna call me and we'll see. Yeah, she is calling now. Hello, Nana.
Hello, Yunus. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Can you hear me well?
I can hear you very well.
Okay, that's great. So it works. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Of course. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
So there was a problem with my Android phone, and that's why I couldn't make a phone call through WhatsApp, and I downloaded Verifit application to my iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it works very well, and I can hear her voice very good, and she could hear me perfectly. It works greatly. So you can also see all the notification over here on your smartwatch from Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or while you are listening music on Spotify or YouTube music, you can see all of them. If you like to use the Alexa, definitely you are free to use it, and this is like on the left side. When you just slide it, you'll see, and here you can see which music you are listening. So, and also you can see the from if you are gonna connect to weather notification, you can enable it from here, and also you can see your sleep quality. That's all for you, and you can use whatever you like. It's very easy. I can just recommend you to have it. It's not expensive as much as like the other smartwatch. So thank you for watching. See you next time.